Are you having DNS error on Nintendo Switch? Then you are at the right place. We have got some easy ways that you can use to fix this issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Change DNS of your Nintendo Switch. If your Nintendo Switch persistently fails to connect to the Nintendo server, then you can get this type of errors. So, change the DNS of the Nintendo Switch and check if this helps. Here is how you can do so. Open Nintendo Switch settings and go to the Internet tab. Click on the Internet settings and then select your Wi-Fi service. Click on Change Settings and select the manual option. Set the primary DNS value to 8.8.8.8 and secondary DNS to 8.8.4.4. Save your changes and restart your Nintendo Switch. Now check if you are getting the issue now. Method 2. Power cycle the switch. If the error is occurring due to any technical glitch, then it should be fixed by power cycling the switch. Press and hold the power button of your Nintendo Switch to turn it off. Then detach all the power cords attached to the devices and from the source. Allow a few minutes to pass and then attach the power cord and then turn on the Nintendo Switch. If the console is not responding, then hold down the power button for about 12 seconds to force shut it down. Then try to power it on again. Check if this has fixed the problem. Else, move on to the next step. Method 3. Check the internet connection. You need a stable internet connection while playing games or using apps on Nintendo Switch. So, check your internet speed from speedtest.net from any device connected to the same internet like your phone or PC. If you have an unstable and poor internet connection, then contact your service provider. You can also restart your router or modem and see if this works. Method 4. Restart the router or modem. The next thing you can do is restart your router or modem. So, turn off your router or modem. Disconnect all the attached peripherals and cables. Wait for some time and then reconnect everything. Now turn on your router or modem and check for an internet connection. Method 5. Try a different connection. You can also shift to a different network and see if that works for you. If you have access to a different Wi-Fi connection, then switch to that. You can also choose an Ethernet connection as it ensures a more stable connection. Also, make sure the Ethernet cable is properly connected and there is no loose connection. You can disconnect your Ethernet cable from all the sources and connect it to some other device on another internet connection to check it. Method 6. Update the console. Ensure your console has the latest system update. Connect to the internet, then navigate to System Settings from the Home tab. Select the system. Next, select System Update. Once the update is complete, check if the issue is fixed. Method 7. Check your Nintendo server status. Before you go for any further solution, check the Nintendo server status from the Twitter handle or from the official website, as this error is related to the Nintendo server, so it is very important that you check that. In case you find the server is down, wait for some time till everything gets back to normal. If you get a Nintendo error after that, then proceed with the next method. Method 8. Contact customer support. If the methods shown here couldn't fix the Nintendo Switch DNS issue, contact Nintendo official website. You can click on this link, then select the issue and follow the on-screen instructions provided by the team to fix the issue. And there you have it, the methods to fix the DNS error on Nintendo Switch. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.